Hi friends, good morning. Next VSQ from our series, that is from Dhruva Entertainment and Vidu classes. What is our question, friends? Distinguish between the enzymes renin and renin. Friends, RENIN renin, RENNIN renin. Friends, these two are enzymes. Friends, here first renin, RENIN renin is from excretory system. RENNIN renin from digestive system. Friends, here you have to concentrate on these words. RENIN renin from excretory system, RENNIN renin from digestive system. You know, friends, renin of the digestive system, it's secreted by peptic cells of gastric glands. You know, friends, renin is present in the stomach. It is secreted by the peptic cells of the gastric glands. You know, friends, gastric glands are present in the stomach. It has peptic cells. Those peptic cells secrete what, friends? Renin. You know it, friends. This renin, it converts milk protein. What is milk protein, friends? Casein into calcium paracaseate. Generally, it is present in the infants, friends. What is that? RENNIN renin, friends. RENNIN renin. See, renin is an enzyme present in the stomach. It is secreted by the peptic cells of the gastric gland. It converts the milk protein. What is milk protein? That is casein. Very, very important, friends. Casein is a milk protein. This milk protein is converted into calcium paracaseate by renin, RENNIN, friends. Now come to RENIN. This is important, friends. RENIN, renin. This renin has one more name. You have to by heart that. You have to remember it. You have to memorize it. What is that? Angiotensinogenase. Friends, ase. Suffix ase indicates an enzyme. RENIN renin is also called as angiotensinogenase. Angiotensinogenase. Okay, friends. This renin secreted by juxtaglomerular cells of nephron. You know, friends, nephron is the unit of the kidney. That nephron has juxtaglomerular cells. You may call them as JG cells. These JG cells are present in the afferent arteriole. We'll discuss it later, friends. So this renin is secreted by whom? JG cells. What are JG cells? Juxtaglomerular cells. Juxta, friends. Juxta. Sorry, it is not just. It is juxtaglomerular cells. This renin converts the angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. This renin or angiotensinogenase, it converts the angiotensin into angiotensin 1. Angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. Okay, friends. Now once again, friends, distinguish between renin and renin. RENIN renin is of the excretory system. RENNIN renin is of the digestive system. You have to remember it, friends. So first you have to concentrate RENIN. Once again, friends, it is also called as angiotensinogenase. Angiotensinogenase. It is secreted by the juxtaglomerular cells of nephron. Nephron is the unit of the kidney. This renin or angiotensinogenase converts the angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. See, friends, angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. Whereas come to renin, friends, renin, RENNIN renin is an enzyme of the digestive system. It is secreted by the peptic cells of gastric glands of stomach. You know, friends, gastric glands are present in the stomach. Those gastric glands secrete, have some peptic cells. Those peptic cells secrete a hormone, that is, enzyme, that's called a renin. This renin converts the milk protein casein into calcium paracaseate. See friends, what is casein? Casein is the milk protein. It converts into what? Into calcium paracaseate. Now friends, come to one more page friends. Here you see, here no need to write in the exam friends. This is for NEET and MCET. See, where do we have juxtaglomerular cells? Juxtaglomerular cells also called JG cells. JG cells, juxtaglomerular cells. Juxta friends, don't say just. Juxta means nearby. Present in the wall of the afferent arteriole. What is afferent arteriole friends? It's a branch of the renal artery. It carries blood from body parts to the kidneys for purification, for filtration. Okay, what is afferent arteriole friends? It is a branch of the renal artery. Okay friends, this afferent arteriole enters into the nephron or Bowman's capsule. Okay friends, these JG cells are modified smooth muscle cells. Once again friends, another important NEET and MCET question. JG cells are modified smooth muscle cells. Once again friends, juxtaglomerular cells are modified smooth muscle cells. Where are they present? They are present in the wall of the afferent arteriole of the nephron. Okay friends. Next, one more important point friends. JG cells and macula together called as JG apparatus. What is JG apparatus friends? Juxtaglomerular cells and macula together called as what friends? Juxtaglomerular apparatus or JGA. Okay friends. Now come to the next page friends. You see here an image. Friends, this is afferent arteriole. This afferent arteriole has, see friends, this is what? JG cells, juxtaglomerular cells. Okay friends. Next, this is what friends? Macula dense. The JG cells and macula dense together called as what? JG apparatus. See friends, this is afferent arteriole which it carries blood towards the nephron. This is efferent arteriole. It carries blood away from the nephron. Okay friends. Next, here important one you have to remember friends. This JG cells or angiotensinogens, renin, when it secreted friends, when the blood pressure, when glomerular blood pressure falls down, then it is secreted by the JG cells. Once again friends, what is our question? You have to write this first page only friends. You have to write this only for our IPE. But for NEET and MCET, you have to see all the points what I have covered here. Once again friends, distinguish between enzymes renin and renin. Here first important point, RENIN, renin is the enzyme of the excretory system. RENNIN, renin is the enzyme of the digestive system. Okay friends, renin secreted by whom? By the JG cells of nephron. JG cells of nephron. It converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. Whereas RENNIN, renin is the enzyme of the stomach or digestive system. It is secreted by the peptic cells. It converts the milk protein, that is casein, into calcium paracaseate. Okay friends, thank you. Good day.